Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a pack with me video. I am off to Jamaica in like a week and a bit. It's a work trip, but the plus side is I get to bring Ollie and I'm super excited, and I've always wanted to go to Jamaica. I thought that I would do kind of like a pack with me video because I do travel a lot and I actually haven't done anything like this before, so I thought that I would do that. I'm going to be showing you guys what I'm going to be packing in my large check-in bag and some pieces that I recently got, and I'm going to do a separate video on what I am packing in my carry-on because otherwise it's going to be a hell of a long video. So yeah, let's get started. So when I pack, it usually looks something like this. I organise everything into piles, and I usually just kind of like throw everything that I want to take with me, organise in those piles, and then go over those piles individually and take out things that I really don't need to bring with me. This trip is a work trip and I'm going to be creating a lot of content. I think we're going to do a lot of activities, so I kind of focused kind of like what I'm picking and packing for them. Haven't got our itinerary yet, so not 100% sure what we are doing, but I've pretty much brought like a variety. Let's start off with the piles. I know they kind of look a little bit messy at the moment, but I'll go into depth into each category. Okay, so over here we just have like my socks and my underwear, and then here it's kind of like matching sets and cords, and over here we have dresses. And then here we just have like tops on their own. And here we have bottoms. Here is my big ass pile of bikinis and swimsuits that I'm taking with me. And then here is just my pajamas. I'm going to start with bottoms because they are just in the pile that's right next to me. So what I usually take when I travel to a tropical destination is obviously my Levi's. I cannot travel anywhere without them. So I've packed two pairs. I've packed my long vintage Levi's. These are pretty loose and really casual, really comfortable. I know I'm going to be eating a lot, so I'm going to need like a comfortable pair of like long jeans. And I usually wear them in the evening when we go out to dinner if I don't want to wear a dress, and they pretty much go with everything, so this is like a fail-safe for me to travel with. And then of course we have the good old Levi's vintage shorts. These I picked up in a market in Thailand for literally like under £5. Usually end up kind of like wearing bikini tops or swimsuits with these shorts anyways when I'm somewhere super hot. So yeah, these two are such a great staple to have in your luggage. And then I also packed two other like trouser bottoms with me. First is good old cycling shorts. If I don't really have to do anything or like dress up for anything, I'll just pop on like a pair of these and just an oversized loose tee or like a crop top and my trainers, and I'm pretty much good to go. I think we're staying at like 3 different places, so usually I will wear these when I am traveling and moving around. Last pair of bottoms, good old white kind of like high-waisted trousers. I got these from Brandy Melville and they fit really well. They're really comfortable. And they are kind of like in a, I don't know, I don't want to say linen material, but it's like a kitchen towel material, which makes it really breathable and really good in hot weathers. I love bringing cords with me whenever I travel because it's so easy and simple. You just throw on and you already have an outfit. Like, you don't really have to think much about it. The first one is something that I saw Bella Hadid wore like on the beach maybe a year or two ago, and I was like, I need an outfit like that. It's so cute. So this is like a 2-piece set from Nasty Gal, and it is in, I don't know, like a mesh material. It's really soft and really comfortable, and I just wanted to pair it with like a white bikini underneath, like as she did in the picture. If I can find a picture, I'll insert it here for you now for reference, but I kind of want to look like that in Jamaica. So yeah, this is the top, and then these are the matching bottoms, and they are high-waisted. And yeah, I just think it's gonna be really cute to wear around the island. And the next cord set I'm really excited to be wearing, it is this kind of like brown striped set, and initially when I ordered I was gonna wear them pretty much separate. So I was gonna wear like the trousers, these are long trousers. They do have shorts version as well, I believe, online, but yeah, I was just gonna wear this with like a black or white vest top or one of my bikini tops and kind of just have it as like one outfit. And then this I was gonna wear, because it's like long sleeve, I was just gonna wear it as a cover up when we go to the beach. I kind of wasn't really planning on wearing them both together. Next up is probably my favorite thing to pack when I go away to a tropical place. It is bikinis and swimsuits. I've packed a variety with me and I will show you guys really quickly which ones I've packed, and I think I have like maybe 9 pairs or sets. I did pack more, but then I was like, I can't bring this many, so I've taken like a few out, but these are the ones that made the cut. And this is the first one. It's kind of like in a retro print. It's very kind of, I don't know, 60s or 70s, and I really love the cut and shape of this one. It is from Warehouse, and the matching bottoms with it. These are high-waisted. Personally, I love high-waisted bikinis because it's just so much more flattering. Kind of annoying when you are trying to tan, so I kind of just like fold it, you know, it down. But yeah, I just think high-waisted bikinis are super flattering, so I have a lot of those. This first set is from Warehouse and I cannot wait to wear this. Like, it's so cute. The second one is also from Warehouse and it's also another high-waisted one. I can never travel anywhere without some sort of leopard print because I am obsessed. So this is a leopard print bikini, and I just really like this because it has like a thicker waistband and it's really flattering on as well. I tried it on and I just makes me so excited to like wear everything. But yeah, oh, I'm holding it the wrong way around. But yeah, this is the bottoms and they fit true to size. I also have a set from Nasty Girl that I just got. It's really beautiful, kind of like red reptile snake skin print. I just really like the front that it has like a little bow on it, and I really like that it has thick straps. And then these, of course, are the matching bottoms. Again, high-waisted bottoms. And then the rest of the bikinis are bikinis and swimsuits that I have already owned. I've owned these probably, yeah, for about 2 years, I think. I will try and find links to them if I can, but most of them are from ASOS. Like this one, actually I've never worn this, but it's just been sat kind of like in my drawer. But it's this really cool like towel like material which you can find on like the Hansa G swimsuits and bikinis, but I just don't want to spend that much on swimsuit and bikinis, so I just opted for the ASOS ones and they are super comfortable. I have them in all the colours, so kind of deciding what colours to bring to Jamaica was kind of like, oh, I don't know, I want to bring them all, but I kind of, you know, sorted myself out. But yeah, I would take this one because I have never worn this and I think the blue would look really cute in pictures. And then these are the bottoms. They're not really high-waisted, but they kind of come up like a high-rise. Also, I'm bringing the neon green version and the neon orange version. I love traveling with these bikinis. Literally, it's super flattering, so comfortable. Every time they bring out kind of like a new color or a new style in the crinkle material on ASOS, I will buy it. Another one I just forgot that I got from ASOS is kind of like this brown one. This one I believe sold out super quick when I got it. And for the top I thought I'd go for something a little bit different, and I did kind of like the bandeau style top, and again wearing this with like the white linen trousers as an outfit is super comfortable. I also am bringing one of my kind of like nude square neck cut swimsuits. This is really comfortable as well. I think I got this from Topshop. Yeah, from Topshop. I got this a while ago, but if I can find something similar, I'll definitely link it down below for you guys. Obviously, gotta have like a classic black bikini. This is from ASOS, and it's kind of like the crinkle material bottoms, but I couldn't find the top to match because it sold out super quickly, so I just ordered like a simple thin strap kind of bikini top from ASOS to kind of match, and because it's black, like, it doesn't really matter. Next we move on to dresses, and I also am bringing one jumpsuit or play suit actually with me. I haven't gotten a chance to wear this yet, so I'm really excited. It's this really beautiful polka dot play suit. It's really loose, so it'll be perfect for those really hot nights. And yeah, this is from Sisterhood, and I got it in, I believe, a size small. The material is really light, it's really breathable, so it's perfect for the weather. Next up is a dress from Meshki. I haven't gotten a chance to wear this yet either, and I'm really excited to wear it. It's a really nice kind of like stretchy material bodycon. What I love about this is that it's like glitter in the fabric, and it's so nice. It fits so well and it hugs me like everywhere in the right places. So yeah, I thought that I would wear this for dinner on one of the nights with like a red lip and my gold hoops. I think that would be really cute. I don't think I want to be like bringing heels with me. I might bring like some sort of like low sandal mules with me. But yeah, I haven't really figured out my shoes yet. And then next, this dress is more something that I would wear like to the beach as a cover up. I'm gonna insert like the full image of the model wearing it here, so you kind of get the feel of what this dress is like. But yeah, it's like a really long maxi dress, and it's so floaty, and I think I'm gonna get some really good images in this dress of me kind of like dancing on the beach and twirling and stuff. So that's what I had in mind when I got this one. Next dress that I got from Nasty Girl is a black satin maxi one. It's a really great slip dress with like slits on the side. It's something that I can just throw on during the day with like Birkenstocks in my basket bag, or something that I can wear in the evening as well with like a slick bun and a red lip. So yeah, really versatile piece. I thought that I would bring this with me. The last dress that I'm taking with me is something, again, that I can wear during the day or the night, and something that I can wear also like on other trips. It's a very low cut kind of like shirt dress. It's really loose, and I just really love like how this looks on the model. Thought that I would take this with me for maybe like the last night that we're there or something like that. I think it's so cute. Now we move on to the tops pile. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 with me. As I'm going to be shooting a lot of content there, I obviously don't want to keep wearing the same things, and usually I will keep like the bottoms the same but change up the top, so that's why I brought like quite a few top options. First one is again from Nasty Girl, and it's a really kind of like loose linen style shirt. I pretty much wanted this to like be worn as like a cover up on the beach, and something that I can just chuck on. Next up is something that's actually been in my wardrobe for a long ass time, but I just don't get to wear this piece as much, and it's from, is it Free People? Yeah, from Free People, and I picked this up I think beginning of last year. But it's this kind of like lime green linen top with the ties on the shoulders, and I just refound it in my drawers. I was like, yeah, this is definitely coming with me. And then I always pack one of my vintage t-shirts. Usually if I'm going to like a hot climate, I will pack a really oversized and baggy one. Just something that I can just throw on its own and just wear with my trainers. Yeah, it's just one of my favorite things just to kind of wear and throw on over everything. So I'm taking this with me. Next up is obviously just two basics, really simple, a black and white vest. I also found this in my drawer. It's what I wore like on my birthday 2 years ago, and it came with like a matching skirt. But I thought that this would be really cute to wear with like my denim shorts on the beach. So I'm just bringing the top, and it's really lightweight. It's kind of see-through, so I'm definitely gonna have to like wear a bra underneath or something. But yeah, I just thought it would be like really cute if we go like dancing one night. The last one is a black halter neck in kind of like a silk material top, and it has like a low back, which I thought would be really cute to wear on like a romantic dinner. And then the last pile obviously is pajamas. I am such a pajama girl. I love wearing pajamas in bed, and I've been wanting a pair of new silk pajamas for a while now, so I went into, god, how do you pronounce this, Intimissimi, which I believe is like an Italian lingerie store, but they also have really cute silk pajama pieces. So I was on Instagram one day and I was scrolling, and then I saw Danielle from We Wore What wore this pajama set, and I was like, oh my god, I am obsessed with the colour. This is, yes, 100% real silk, so it is on like the pricier side, but trust me, it's definitely worth it. Because when you sleep in it, you just feel like so rich and buttery soft, and I don't know, you just feel so much better and you have like a better night's sleep. So that's why I love silk pajamas. So the top is actually £90, and I know the bottoms were 70, and yeah, I know it's bloody pricey, but I take my pajama game so seriously, and these are probably the most expensive pajamas that I've ever bought, but I absolutely love it. And the colour is just so beautiful. I'm also going to quickly show you guys like the two bags that I'm going to be taking. First up is good old fanny pack. This actually will fit in my mini camera, or like my film camera that I'm going to be taking. It's just great to kind of like put over your shoulder, or when you're going to like the markets and stuff, just to have it close by on you. Usually when I go somewhere that is pretty tropical and I know that I'm going to be doing a lot during the days, I will definitely take a backpack with me. This one I got off ASOS like a long time ago, maybe like a year and a half ago, but yeah, if I find something similar, I'll definitely link it for you guys down below. And then of course I have my makeup bits and like my bath and body bits in here. I'm not going to go into them in this video. I'm definitely going to be filming another one to kind of like focus on my beauty stuff that I pack. So yeah, now it is time to put all of this stuff in the suitcase. That is it for this video, and I think I did pretty well. Like, I don't think it actually is up to 23 kilograms, and sometimes I usually pack a little bit more, but you know, I don't think I'm gonna need that much on this trip, and I'm not really gonna be buying anything. Oh, I love this case so much, it's so beautiful. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye guys.